Good morning, students, and welcome back to the art class. So, this is the winter month, and I have the topic similar to that for you, which is winter landscape. Now, what is landscape? You must be wondering. If you do not know, then let me tell you landscape, as the word suggests, is land and scape, which is land that we see in front of us. So, winter landscape, what all do you see during winter season? If you are in the hills, you will see snow-clad mountains, snow on the houses, snow on trees. If you are in the city, you would see fog and mist. You will see trees that have shed their leaves and so on. So I'm going to teach you a winter landscape of the hills. Let's begin. To begin with, today, first of all, draw one line almost in the center of the sheet, not a straight line, a rugged line to show the ground and the sky. We are going to make less of sky today. Let's begin. Now, the trees that have shed their leaves in the winters, how to draw them? Easy way, first draw true lines for the tree trunk and then take out the branches going outwards in different directions. Thin on top, just see, in different directions, just take out branches like these, like this, thin on top, okay? The other branches we are going to add later. Once again, trees are thin, not too thick, M shape, branches, just keep taking out these lines in different directions, thin. Done. Let's add more trees. Once again, M shape, thin branches. It's like you're making a Y. So in different directions, keep making more trees. So before winter season, it's autumn, and autumn is the time when trees shed their leaves. And then spring will come and these trees will get their leaves back. Look again very carefully. Make it very thin, but not too thin also, otherwise we will not be able to color it. So like this. So this way you are going to complete the composition. So let's make a little owl if you want to, a circle, two triangular shapes on top, a triangle for his beak, two dots for the eyes, and another circle which is not full, you can say a semicircle, for the body. You can add more owls if you want. Now next, let's add some very small houses in front, hut shaped. triangle, and this is a rectangular shape. It's a rectangle with slanting lines, which is, you will study about this in bigger classes. It's called a parallelogram. Two lines for the rectangles to make the walls. So this is one big house in front. Let's add a chimney, again with a rectangle shape. Let's add windows with square shape. Let's make this path. You can take it anywhere. Now some smaller ones. Once again, triangle. Those houses are at the back. So things that are far away look and appear smaller, and this is called perspective. You can change the shape of the doors and windows, the pigeonhole, chimney, and we are showing snow like this. So the scenery is almost done. I want to add a bit of ground, showing a bit more at the back. And this is the way that you make the snow. And the way to the house. I hope you are liking this winter landscape that we are making. It's time to color it. But before coloring, as always, to make our work look brighter and more defined and attractive, it's always a good idea to take your black sketch pen and begin outlining. So let's start. Outline everything on the pencil lines and all the pencil lines. Okay? Take your time and do this very, very neatly. Okay, students, as you all can see that we have outlined our winter landscape. So it's time to color it. Now for the sky, we are going to use two colors, blue and gray. So a light blue and a light gray. I will just tell you how to merge and shade with them. So pick up a blue color, could be light blue, could be medium blue if you do not have light blue, and use it on the top like this. Not too dark, and be very careful not to color inside these trees that we have made. We'll extend it a little bit more. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. It's very different. It's something different that we are doing. Now I'm going to pick up my gray color, a light gray. If you do not have a light gray, then you may use white and do this blending and merging with a white color. So gray, why? Because I want to show some fog and mist. Go over the blue also. You can leave some white portions. Looks nice. Don't make it too dark. Like this. We are going to do this in the entire sky. Continue it a bit down. Children, you can see I'm not making it too dark. I'm keeping it a bit light only. So this way. And now we are going to pick up our white color and blend everything, all these colors. You can go up on the blue also. You can see how I'm doing this. Let's pick up different shades of brown and it's time to color the trees. So, very carefully. You can do another brown in the other half of the tree, or a mustard color. Our Mr. Owl is also sitting in the tree hole. You have to color him also. So what is the color of Mr. Owl? We'll do him with yellow and brown. The beak is yellow. Let me make the feathers also yellow. And the body with brown. Now behind him, to show darkness, you can just take your dark blue, and in this area you may do dark blue. All right. Now this way we are going to complete the coloring of all the trees. Pick up all the different brown shades that you have. If you want to add more branches, you can do it like this directly with color. Otherwise, just leave it like that. That way also it looks nice. So we begun from the top so that we do not dirty our sheet. And we don't place our hand on the color. Trees are done. They're looking nice, isn't it? Now it's time to color the houses. And since everything in the background is in shades of brown and blue, and the snow is going to again be blue and white, so we'll make the houses very, very colorful. So pick up bright shades like reds and orange and greens to color the houses. We can make snow on the houses too. So if you want to make some snow on the house, then do like this. Don't color it entirely. Leave some irregular space area for the snow. Now you all can see that I have not colored the doors and the windows. I'll be doing them with a different color. Like this door I've done with a pink. Maybe of this house, let me repeat the pink color again for the door. And windows, if you are showing that there's somebody inside and there's a little fireplace also to keep the house warm, we are going to color the windows with our yellow color. Going to repeat the blue. So let's pick up yellow color and color the windows. So everybody is awake right now. Let me do this dark. Now how to do the snow? Just that is left. For the snow, we will again pick up blue, light blue or maybe medium blue, and see. Just tilting the sheet a bit, the corners and these lines that you have made. Just put some blue. Like this. Don't put it everywhere, just these lines that you've done. Somewhere in between, if you want to add, then just a line with blue like this. Done. Now pick up your white color and it's time to blend everything. So we'll begin from the top. Blend. Move your hand in circular motions like this. Round, round. All over the blue that you've put. Can you see? We are doing it round, round in circular motions. And it's best to take a smaller piece of color while doing shading. It gives you a nice effect. I prefer using smaller pieces of colors while shading. So this way, wherever you have put the blue color for the snow, blend it. I hope you're enjoying. Now the roof of the houses we had left because we wanted to make some snow. So what are we doing? Again, we are putting very little blue, and you will have to be a little careful because already there is some orange color also. Make sure you don't go on the orange color, and you're just blending where the blue is. Move the white on the blue color. Just on the blue part, not on the green areas. Now these walkways, the path that goes up, can be gray, can be colorful. I choose to do it gray. You can make it colorful also. So dear children, a nice scenery, a nice winter landscape drawing is complete. I hope you all enjoyed doing this with me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.